Hey there, Titans, and welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today we'll be talking about Titan Sign, specifically about dynamic Word documents. When you build a template with our word-addin, you're able to add merge fields to bring data dynamically from Salesforce, and you can then upload those documents to a Titan Sign project so that you can generate a dynamic document from Salesforce and have your signers sign on that document. So we're going to go ahead and upload a Word template with merge fields here. Plus templates here, and we'll just add this basic contract. And there you go. You can see we have some merge fields such as the account name coming in from Salesforce, a system field of the current date time, and we also have a signature field as well as an input field for the signer to enter their name, for example. And essentially what this allows us to do is pull in some dynamic data from Salesforce directly into our template and then still allow our end user to fill in some data and sign the document. One thing to note is that when we use a dynamic document, we no longer can make our document public or private. It needs to be dynamic. It needs to be triggered from a record in Salesforce, and so you can select the object that you want to trigger from. For example, for this template, I would want to trigger from a specific account, and then I can trigger from a button in Salesforce, some kind of automation in Salesforce, and I'll go ahead and click apply. Note that we have a number of options for protection, such as two-factor authentication, where you'll receive a code to your email to authenticate and protect your document further. We can also use Smart V and SSO, and we'll learn more about these protections in a separate video. All that would be left to do would be to configure a signer, and all that would require would be to select the object that we want to bring our signer from. For example, I want to have the account that I'm triggering from sign on this document. I can have the account ID match the record ID that I'm triggering this document from. And then I would just map my first name, last name, and email fields so that my signer can sign. Again, if you want to use a template that will have dynamic data coming from Salesforce, a document that can change its structure based on the data that comes back to it, you can build that in our word-addin. We'll have a separate video showing you how to do this, how to build this template, and that's how it's done.